Have a great day, ducks. Are you ready for another round of crypto news? Here we go! Whales bought $94 billion worth of bitcoins in 2024. The Worldcoin project was called the biggest fraud. Trump's ear appeared on major exchanges. CryptoQuant's CEO Ki Young-jun noted that the whales now have 1.8 million bitcoins in their accounts. Investors are adding 100,000 bitcoins every week. Ju is confident that Bitcoin will go up soon unless the crypto world throws surprises again. The actions of the Worldcoin team and the WLD token price jump in mid-July attracted the crypto community's attention. The project is run by Tools for Humanity, co-founded by Sam Altman of OpenAI, known for creating ChatGPT. Worldcoin seeks to distribute a biometric world ID for online data verification. Several researchers have accused the project of manipulation and favoring insiders. Several major cryptocurrency exchanges have added the new Trump token, the EAR stays on, to their listing. Amid the politicians' high-profile promises and positive remarks about cryptocurrency, meme coins, including EAR, have seen gains. EAR rose nearly 15% in 24 hours, reaching its peak value on the 14th of July 2024, the day after Trump's assassination attempt. So, shall we buy some EARs?
Of course!
Have a great day, a calm pond, and high Bitcoin ducklings. See you all again soon.